Hello! So in this video, I'm going to go over the assignment description for Writing Project 3. Writing Project 3 will be to create a manifesto for a cult that you have imagined. It'll be a little bit complicated and probably a little bit weird, but ultimately the goal is for you to write an ideologically driven statement of belief that identifies something wrong with the world that your cult then wants to fix. So, as always, you can find the assignment description under Writing Project 3 module on Canvas. But here's what it looks like. Writing Project 3, Cults and the Power of Ideology, which is basically to say that cults use ideology to control people. So in this third writing project, you will design a cult that is moored in a set of beliefs and ideologies. That is, the infrastructure and history of the cult that you design should all be tethered to a clear set of beliefs or ideologies. As always, the first part of this assignment. So I'll edit that. But given that this project used to be a group assignment with a reflection paper, forgive me for the typos in this video. They'll be fixed by the time I put them up. So this assignment will be the creation of a manifesto that clearly states the beliefs and values of your cult. So manifesto. This will be a document that summarizes the beliefs, values, and goals of your cult. It will fully flesh out your cult's ideologies and systems of belief. So once again, we're just going to be really hammering home on beliefs, systems of them, ideologies, how ideologies can convince people to believe the same thing, that sort of stuff. So manifesto is a place for you to make bold, provocative statements, basically no half measures in a manifesto. You should answer the following. What does your cult believe? What does it want the members to believe? Why was your cult formed? What is the purpose of your cult? Cults aren't just willy-nilly. What does your cult see as wrong or in need of change so much that it was created? What does your cult offer its members? What makes your cult appealing to others? What does your cult want to change or make people understand about the world or society? Cults are usually born because the leader or the hierarchy has identified some sort of vulnerability that it wants to take advantage of. It has identified something wrong with society and it wants to fix that, and it creates these extreme measures and all that stuff. So the manifesto does not have to, and probably shouldn't, answer these questions directly and one by one. So don't just be like, my cult offers this, my cult wants to change this. That's not going to make for a very dynamic document. So think about how your cult's ideologies influence your answers to the above questions. Just really keep it hammered home on ideology. So it can be hard to write just like a vague statement of belief. So it's useful to think about things like, what is the history of your cult? Hello. Would you like to escape? Maybe. What is the history of your cult? How was it started? Is there a leader? Is there a hierarchy? How does your cult recruit new members? There's a couple strategies here: depluralization, self-individualization. That I'm going to go over in a PowerPoint that kind of talks about cult tactics. Excuse me, Sati. So, are there major events, protests, murders, public spectacles? You know, this is a cult. Have some fun with it. But keep all of these related to your ideology. So, requirements. May 3rd, 11:59 p.m. Length, 1,000 words. Should clearly address cult's beliefs, why it was formed, what it offers, and what it wants to make. Or, I'll accept a creative assignment. You know, not all manifestos are written documents. If you want to do something creative, that can be anything from like a video, or if you want to create a brochure, or if you want to do a podcast episode, like just email me. I want to hear all of your ideas. The only thing that I will ask for in that initial email is a justification of why your specific cult would do something other than a written document. And I'm going to go back up here to my screensaver because I like it. But anyway, goodbye. I feel like I should need to have like some sort of like YouTube sign off, but I don't. Okay, she's gonna get comfortable again.